Okay, so here's what I did with the ridge vent. I don't know if you can see it, but I've got a seam down there because they come in 10-foot pieces, and I took 2 of them for this 16-foot run. And so I've got that piece down there that I cut some off of, and I stuck more than a foot up underneath of this one. So I've got a factory edge, cut edge down there, a factory cut edge over here, and a factory cut edge on the top of my seam. The edge that I cut is buried underneath there a foot this way. Now, if you can see the heads of the screws, they're screwed into here and into the top of this. And I've done that with every one near the ends. Down there, every one near the ends. In the center, well, not really the center, but between the ends, starting right there, you see I skip one, screw one, skip one, screw one, skip one, screw one, and screw every other one. Now near my connection down there, where I've overlapped the 2 of them, I put it in every rib so that I've got extra screws there helping hold that overlap together. And those 4 screws there go through both pieces. It's overlapping enough to where it's doubled right there in the middle. Then it returns to every other one for a couple of ribs, and then down there near the end, it's every single rib, 3 ribs in a row. Before I even got halfway through, my calves were burning. And that's not the only reason why I did every other rib. I mean, I believe it's gonna have no problem being held even with high winds with every other rib. And then that's less holes that could possibly leak. But it's not just the calves burning like hell. It's the slickness of this metal and the wind's blowing. I couldn't get any grip at all till I got these slip-on rubbers here, and they gave me a lot more grip than the soles of my shoes. I tried all my tennis shoes and my boots and everything, and nothing would grip that metal. And this would grip it somewhat, but after about half of those screws up there, even these started feeling a little bit slippery, and the pucker factor got high. Now, I wasn't really afraid I would die if I slid off and fell off this roof, but I was afraid that maybe I'd land there and lay there and hurt until I was unconscious, and then some time later wake up in the hospital with a bill that's much higher than the price of just paying somebody to build a shed, which would really defeat the purpose of building the shed myself. I don't know which one is going to be in the next video. I'm either going to be building these doors, or I'm going to put these on the edges. But I think my calves need to break from ladder work, and my feet are absolutely throbbing. So I might just build the doors. That way I can stay here on terra firma for a little while with my feet kind of flat. I bet I'm gonna have some leg cramps tonight. I've done judo competitions that didn't make my calves burn this much. Of course, I was 20 years younger then. Remember what Shopcat always says, don't forget to click the link to watch the next video, or click the other link to watch the whole playlist. Isn't that right, Shopcat? They don't know what they're missing.